ocean wave breath for navigating labor contraction sensations, or waves. We will inhale through our nose and exhale through our mouth, releasing tension in our jaw, neck, and shoulders. Inhale nose, exhale mouth. And now we will begin to inhale and exhale through the nose, keeping the lips gently closed. Inhaling and filling the belly and the ribs, and exhaling through the nose, slightly constricting the back of the throat to make the sound of an ocean wave. Let's begin. Inhale nose. Exhale nose. Inhale nose. Exhale nose. Inhale nose. Exhale nose. Inhale nose. Exhale nose. Doing that 5 times will last about 1 minute in length, or about the length of a contraction.